Well, both, to be fair, James, they're both human-made. Natural medicine and
Like natural medicine, yeah, you grind it up and maybe put it in like water or something.
that's what your mom uses a lot to keep the pain away. So you often see me making tea for her. That's actually, a lot of it is East European natural medicine, a bit of it is Chinese.
Oh god.
Yeah, we got the Chinese ones from New York when we were there visiting my dad.
Which basketball is it?
I don't know, it's one of them.
Because I think Mum still has my...
Nice one.
Yeah, so that might be the one that's in the car.
It's my car.
Oh yes, the old one, not the...
Yes.
Not Mum's car. Yeah.
Hence your mom can walk. Yeah, mom will be getting a much bigger car soon. Maybe a Honda CRV, like an off-road one. Those things drive like you're on a flat pan of oil. Nothing. No bumps. That's what she needs.
No one out.
No,
Yeah.
no one will be out this time of the morning, James.
Oh, some people out there. People wet paint.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, wet paint.
In 2015 there was wet paint here.
Yeah. Well, that's an abandoned hotel.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. I got a video of it at night. It's so spooky.
What?
Yes, I got a video of it at night.
You actually knew it, didn't you?
No, from here. I was tempted, James. I used to break into old military forts all the time as a kid when I was between 8 and like 12.
Don't say that on camera.
They're abandoned. You can't get arrested for going to abandoned public place in Croatia.
Where the hell did you park this car?
Oh, we're halfway there to a basketball field.
Okay, where's the basketball?
Ah, in the car.
Where's the car?
Right there. Behind the cat on the left.
May I have the key?
I have the key. I may have the key. I may have left it in the hotel room.
That's the one thing.
James, I barely have enough brain cells to be walking right now. Right, so to open the boot you need to open up my door and pull the latch. And don't close the door while the keys are. These old ones don't like it.
I don't see any leakage.
A little bit, look.
Ah, look.
Right, so I think
The
it's in
basket.
back there.
The basket was in the corner.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is you point this towards the sea for me for a moment and I'll get it first. And don't show my license plate on there.
I think you already have in one of your videos.
Or this way.
Don't worry, they can't see all they can see
It's my head.
is you struggling.
I'm not struggling. Lies. Right. That's very important. Thank you. Yes. Let's try that way. You need to, all car, you need to slam it. There you go. Okay, so where's the basketball court from here?
Down
All right.
after the It's down here, then after this.
That's my third alarm to get up at this ungodly hour.
Hey, this basketball's a bit flat.
Yeah. Your mum brought the pump with us.
Really?
Yeah. She wanted you to play. You're gonna run back, aren't you?
Where's the pump?
I don't know. Maybe it's by her feet in the car. James, look in her footwell.
Yeah.
Grab it and let's go. Yes.
Cheers. And then this thing.
We need all of this. Oh, we ain't getting back in. Yes. The mighty expensive basketball pump.
It's only for the
I know. Something like that, yes.
It is a semi-bad pump.
But does it pump?
A little.
Then it's the best pump we have because the only one we have.
It's back at home.
Pa, 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 pa.
I think it's behind those houses, like those flowers.
Yeah.
I'm looking on a map. Can we look at the map? See, I don't want you. It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
That's the cooling dishes. Oh no! Guess what?
Where is it?
It's past those houses.
Oh god. Full power.
Come on.
Oh no, slow down. This is an old GoPro. Can't do running. We go down here. We could go back up. But Over the sand.
look at the stairs right here. I don't think you want to walk on the sand.
I mean, I don't mind. It's just going to be good exercise. Ah, 50p to use the lure around here.
Now it's all the way down this road. Oh, it's right there.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's a bush like the Isle of Wight.
Yeah. It's still unbelievable. Diamond shorts in November.
That's fine.
It's great. I hate wearing longs.
I love wearing jogging shorts. I like wearing shorts and jogging shorts. But it's annoying when the days where it's cold but then it's hot in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Those are the worst days.
When I was a kid, James, I had to wade through water in the middle of the winter all the time. And wearing soggy longs after that is the worst thing ever. Oh.
Oh yeah, most certainly.
Then it freezes to your leg. Ugh. You still have to carry on.
Sands Hotel. Where the hell's the hotel?
Okay. When people say things in Isle of Wight, they may be slightly exaggerating. It's like a motel.
Yeah.
Yes, I was not wrong.
Yeah, it's a... Oh, it's so close.
Yeah, we'll get to James. And we had a lovely warm. We should be running through the waves to warm up, as we used to do. We also ran on pebbles, which is really hard work. But it's, how is that called? The pits. They're actually a very nice company.
These pictures. They're a very nice company, thank you very much.
They are, yes. I'm just trying to be funny. I may be failing or succeeding, I don't know.
Very much failing. You're making it sound so good.
James, from now on I'm going to take all videos of you like this.
No, you're not.
It takes effort to hold up like that.
It doesn't take that much effort to hold it where my eyes are, because you're like that.
I like it. I like you.
You need to cross the road, then don't go down that road, but there's a path. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh man, temperature's picking up already. This is weird.
That's weird. Look,
No, the building is warm. No. Yeah, the building is not cold, mate. Amazing.
It's a bit. It's over there.
Nice, there's an entrance right here we can go. James, remind me when you put the basketball to get my charger and multi-plug. Oh. Hey James, there's another golf thing here.
There's also a museum here.
Oh, like I'll fit through there. Well, they have hoops. A proper court, yeah.
Well, it's mixed into a football court, so it isn't perfect.
And the material on the ground is, yeah. I got 2,000 steps before 8 o'clock. Not bad. I'll cut the video here.